kind of looks gross, but it'll taste delicious. But how do you do it? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to make avocado toast in 7 creative ways. This will be interesting. Let's do this.
Let's go!
All right, Avocado, it's your time to shine. You are the star of the show, and it's your job to make this avocado toast delicious. And don't worry, I know you will. This one is your basic avocado toast. So I've got out all the ingredients. I'm using sourdough bread. We have to take our avocado and cut it. Scrape at the avocado. We're going to take the avocado, lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and we're going to gently mash it with a potato masher, and we'll top it off with the topping. Now I'm going to pour in 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. It's smashing time! This kind of looks gross, but it'll taste delicious. I hope. This might be the easiest avocado toast I've ever made before. No wonder they call it basic. Woo! That was a good one, Nadia. That was a real good one. Ooh, it's like butter. Now I'm just going to drizzle a little olive oil and sprinkle it with some sea salt. This recipe calls for a little bit of red pepper flakes, but I'm not a really big fan of red pepper, so I think I'm just gonna leave that out. Let's try it. That is delicious. It's so good, and it's super simple to make.
So good.
Yummy.
So this next one is a fruity avocado toast. And so basically I'm just using some avocado, oranges, balsamic glaze, and whole wheat bread. It also requires basil. And while that is toasting, I'm going to go out to my deck so we can get some basil from the garden.
Whee!
Okay.
I think that's enough.
All right, I've washed my basil, and now let's put it together. This one requires a mash of avocado too, but we're not gonna mash it as much as we did with the last one. Just spread it with a little bit of mashing. Now we're gonna top it with some balsamic glaze. I feel like I'm working at a restaurant with all of these avocado toasts. That's it! That looks good. Now let's try it. That's good. It tastes like a orange pizza. It tastes like a pizza with the sauce as avocado and the cheese as oranges. I don't know. It's good though. We are here at the grocery store, and listen to this. I have heard of something delicious. It is a croissant toast bread, and it's supposed to be super good. Yummy! This avocado toast will be interesting on croissant bread. Come on! That Whole Foods bag. Move that Whole Foods bag. Tonight, this morning, afternoon, evening, whatever you want to call it. We are back from the store, and we've got our croissant toast bread. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we got this avocado toast recipe from the Lava Laundry website, and it's the brand of this toast. And this includes prosciutto, which is a thinly sliced ham, but we don't eat pork, so instead of prosciutto, I'm using some thinly sliced turkey, which is also fine, along with some pine nuts, some blue cheese, of course avocado, and this recipe didn't include avocado, but we're just gonna use a little bit of this because of that reason, and some caramelized figs. This bag isn't actually caramelized, so I just cut them in half, sprinkled some sugar on them, put them in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then took them out. Okay, let's toast the bread. I'm excited. It smells like croissant. Ooh, it feels like croissant. Is this actually croissant? Wow. Okay, let's put it in the toaster. What should we do while we wait for our bread to toast? Let's play a game. Mommy Seed's behind the camera, so she'll play with me and you can play along too. Mommy Seed.
Yeah.
These are about me. What is my favorite type of water?
Cucumber.
Correct! And if you saw my Pamper Day video, you would probably know that. Okay, next question. What is my favorite form of motion?
Flips. Cartwheels. Cartwheels, definitely.
True. Like cartwheels / dancing. I like to just freestyle my dance, and I literally have like 100 cartwheels in my freestyle dance, so. Last question. What is my favorite food?
Avocado toast? No! If anyone knows Nadia, they know her favorite food is...
Mac and cheese!
Hey, I was gonna answer that.
Oh, my bad. Just waiting. When is it gonna pop up? It's done. Oh my goodness, that smells good. I kind of just want to take a bite of this croissant toast.
Yummy.
Well, good.
Okay, let's put a dress on this piece of bread. Get it? Like dress, but like dressing. And then like, you know, like put the dressing on, like the avocado. But actually, no, it's not really dressing because it's topping. Anyways, let's go do it. Okay, so we're going to put the avocado on first, right? Avocado on first. All right, a spoon. All done. Now let's taste it. Okay, I'm excited. This will be interesting. Well, first let me say, I love the croissant bread with the avocado. I don't really like it with the pine nuts though. The figs give it a nice, chewy, kind of sugary taste. You know, out of a 10, I give this a 6.4. Good enough for another bite though. Still a 6.5. But anyways, I have something boiling for our next avocado toast. This is the Everything Bagel Avocado Toast. And there's only 3 ingredients, which are mashed avocado, a boiled egg, everything bagel seasoning, and 100% whole wheat bread. While we wait, let's crack a boiled egg, shall we? Oh wait. Ha! Whoa, this is giving me shivers. Ugh. This feels like glass. You know, you have to rinse all of this off once you're done so you don't eat the glass, you know? I remember I ate like 1,000,000 of these when we were at Disney World at a resort hotel. And then we had like this cafe place and I ate so many boiled eggs, a bunch of salt and pepper. It was so good. We have like 18 of these to do, but you just want to keep recording and recording. Look, I can do push-ups.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That's super toasted.
Mommy, it's literally just toasted, not super toasted. It's literally just toasted like. Whoa, this is so satisfying. Oh my goodness. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of yolk, so I don't think I'm going to include any yolk in this. Just the white part. How tastes yolk?
Sure.
It looks like gummy. It doesn't taste like gummy. Ew! Don't play with gummy all of that. Oh. Last but not least, the Everything Bagel Seasoning. Since this is a lot of avocado toast, I'm just gonna cut this in half and save a half for Mommy Seed. let's try it. But before we do that, let's do my eating dance that I do every time I eat something. It's really good. You know, I think it's a little bit basic, but I think I really like it with the egg. The white egg. The egg white. I don't know. But it's good. Out of 10, I'd give this a 8. Nice. Pretty good. Why is the strawberry so big? Why? I mean, I bet since there's wrinkles on, I bet if we stretched it out, it would be like this big. Why is the strawberry so big? I don't know. Growing up in Houston, we had a lot of strawberries, but this one has been the biggest strawberry I've ever seen in my entire life. It's not crazy. Anyways, let's go. So this is the solid avocado toast. Come on. Okay, so the ingredients that are in this is the croissant bread that I'm using, the croissant bread, and we have some spring mix lettuce, we have some salt and some pepper, we have some lemon juice, lemon juice, olive oil, and we got this huge strawberry and avocado.
What about the pine nuts?
And pine nuts. But I don't want any pine nuts, so I'm gonna leave it inside. Okay, so we gotta make some salad, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Come on, baby. Come on. There. This might be way too salty, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Lemon juice. Just a little bit. I'm only going to do cap. Okay, we're gonna mix this. We're gonna mix it real good. And while we're mixing, we gotta multitask. So we're gonna take some avocado and we're just going to spread it on to this bread. Multitasking. This isn't working out, so I'm just gonna use my fingers. Oh wait, I should have used the spoon. Oh, what am I doing? I don't know, okay, but that's fine. Should have been using a knife, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so I mixed around the lettuce mixture, and we're just going to put it on the toast, and we're going to take our strawberry, cut it with a knife. Should have been using a better knife for this, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. And then I'm just going to, then I'm going to, not the neatest, not the prettiest, but it'll taste delicious. The final taste. Out of 10, it's a 9.5. Okay, so this next avocado toast is the most popular avocado toast in my house, and it has to be the go-to avocado toast for us because we eat it like all the time. I mean like all the time. Except for my brother, since he doesn't like avocado toast and he's so finicky and picky. I mean, what's wrong with him? This recipe is from Minimalist Baker, and I'm using croissant toast again because I love it so much. And I've actually never had this avocado toast with croissant bread, so this will be interesting. Some nooch. A lot of vegans use it in their food to give it a pop of nutrition. Also, avocado and hummus. I'm using roasted pine nuts and sprouts and cucumber. And you can use whatever kind of vegetable you want. I'm using cucumber.
Can you stop eating the bread before we toast it? Nadia, save it for the avocado toast.
It's so good.
You gotta save it. You're not getting any more.
Okay, let's wait. Oh, okay, it's ready. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. Can I have a bite of it soft? Please, I've never had a bite of it toasted, please.
Oh my gosh, you're just gonna eat it. It's gonna be gone. It's gonna be nothing left for the avocado. Really? 2 bites? Stop. Seed Squad, make her stop. Okay, since you're playing, I'm gonna go ahead and eat that croissant.
No!
Oh dear. Nadia, you're gonna have none left for this. You know what? I'm taking it. It's a wrap. You can't use this for all these ingredients. I'm not trash.
Did you know when you look into a spoon like this way, your face is upside down, but when you look into it this way, it's the right way? When you put it closer, you see? Whoa, that's cool. Okay, so, and what? I thought it was, oh, it is done. Okay, and our bread is done. Let me just take a bite.
Stop, no more bites.
Oh, oops-a-doops. Doesn't it look so pretty and yummy? Don't you just want to eat it? Gotta save it for the avocado toast. Speaking of avocado, let's put it on. Just do a chunky spread. Okay, so next up is hummus. Actually, I normally put the hummus on before I put on the avocado, but I kind of forgot about that. So you know, we're just gonna take this and just gonna take some, just kind of spread it, just like that. We're just gonna, just spread it, sort of, like a second sauce. Anyways, moving on. Next, we're going to do red pepper flakes, but I actually don't want to use red pepper flakes because I don't really like them. So I'm just gonna skip ahead to the nutritional yeast. To the nooch. It's like raining nooch. Whoa, that's enough. Cucumber and sprouts. Just go ahead and put it on, no worries.
Yummy.
Out of 10, I give it a 9.3. This recipe requires glazed nuts, so I just have some pecans and almonds, and I'm just going to add some honey to it. Let's take it out of the oven. Mommy Seed said I wasn't looking at the camera enough, so now I'm never gonna take my eyes off of you. The bread's done. Let's take it out. Cool. Now it's time to put on the avocado. Oh right, I forgot to tell you what ingredients are on this. Of course, we have the bread, avocado, which I just put on, feta crumbles, the glazed nuts that we just made, salt and pepper, olive oil, and dukkha, which is a nut spice blend. So I got this recipe from a local place near me called Atwater's, and my mom orders this avocado toast there that's super good. And so basically, I'm going to try and recreate it. Anybody still doing this dance? Looks yummy, but I have to say, this looks nothing compared to what Atwater's looks like because they use a bunch of avocado, like chunks. I looked at a picture and it looked like they added 5 avocados to there. But anyways, let's taste our... Wait, don't I want to cut it in half? Ready? I am.
Yummy.
Well, I do have to say, it's pretty good, but I also have to say, I think we could have used a lot more avocado, like chunks and all of that. And I do like it with the feta and the dukkha, it's really good, but I think it would have been a little bit better with a lot of avocado. Out of a 10 for our recreation version, I'll give this a 7.54. Comment down below if you plan to try any of these avocado toasts. Now, after trying 7 different avocado toasts, I have to say that I never, ever want to see another avocado in my entire life. Anyways, watch another video right now in full, and let's make not normal the new normal with Nadia. Bye!